Imagine your weekly allowance suddenly stopped. $0. No new games, no snacks. Scary, right? Relying on just one way to get money is like playing your favorite video game with only one life. If you lose that life, it's game over. But what if I told you there are real, fun ways to start earning your own money right now? No scams, no tricks. Just real projects you can start today. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is basically a real-life cheat code. Let's level up. Number 1. Becoming a skill boss. Grown-ups call this freelancing. Do you like drawing? Are you awesome at editing videos on your phone? Congratulations, you already have a skill people will pay for. You don't need to be an adult to design a cool logo or type super fast. You can learn these skills for free on YouTube, make your own rules, and be your own boss. Number 2. The treasure hunter. Reselling. Grown-ups call this flipping. You know those old toys, sneakers, or video games sitting in your closet collecting dust? Someone out there wants to buy them. People make money every day by finding a cool toy at a garage sale for $5 and selling it online for $20. You just find it, clean it up, list it, and ship it. Boom. Extra cash. Number 3. The digital builder. Content creation. Making YouTube or TikTok videos isn't just about getting lucky, it's about building your own digital world. And guess what? You don't need a massive, expensive camera. Even the biggest creators, like Mr. Beast, started with just a basic phone. If you can make people laugh, teach them a cool trick, or show off an epic Minecraft build, people will watch. And when an audience shows up, the rewards follow. Number 4, now for the big one. The game changer. I call it robot wrangling. This is using AI. People are using clever AI tools to help them write amazing stories, create awesome digital art, and even build websites. It's like having a super smart robot assistant helping you create things while you do your homework. The kids who learn to team up with AI right now are going to win big time in the future. Now here's the truth. The money isn't hiding, it's just waiting for you to press start. Pick one of these quests today. Not tomorrow, today. Hit that subscribe button to keep upgrading your life, because your future self is counting on you.